Hey, I hope you're doing good. It's Chris here from Sixth String Fingerpicking. In this lesson, we're learning how to play a fingerstyle arrangement of Let It Snow. Just before we get into the lesson, please be sure to give this video a quick thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you're new here, and press the notification bell so you don't miss any regular fingerstyle guitar lessons. And let me know how you're doing in the comments and also how you find this lesson. Really appreciate it. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's go. The first few bars go like this. So we're starting on C chord. And hold that down and just begin by playing the G string, third string open twice. And then put your pinky onto the third fret of the top string and play that with the second and the fifth string. Okay, then the top two strings. Okay, and then you're going to move the thumb to the fourth string and flatten your first finger on the first fret of the first string. And also you can get the second string in there as well if you want to. Okay, so you've gone. Okay, and then the bass is going to go down to the sixth string. Play that, third fret, with the open top string. Okay, and then you're going to play the second fret on the fifth string and the third fret on the second string. Okay, so it's like. So the bass is really on the move for this song. Okay, and then straight back to your C, normal C shape, and play strings 2 and 5 together, and then 3 and 4. Like that. Then move the bass down to the sixth string, play that, and then strings 3 and 4 together, and then just 3 on its own. So far. And then we go up to a D7 like this. Okay, so I'm sure you know this, but C shape, push it up 2 frets, then add your pinky on the 5th fret of the 3rd string. And here we're going to play strings 2 and 5, then 4, 3. So. And then move the bass down to the 6th string and play strings 2 and 6, and then 4 and 3. So. That. Okay, down to a G. All you need really is the 6th string 3rd fret and also the 5th string 2nd fret. So hold that down and play strings 2 and 6, and then 3 and 4, and then 5, 4. Okay, so from the D. And from the top, like that. It's a lot of fun to play. And then we've got D minor, kind of A7 or A7 sharp 5, back to D minor. So I'm playing D minor as a bar on the 5th fret, and there, once we've got that chord held down, we're going to play strings 1, 2 and 5, and then 1 again, and then the 8th fret on the 2nd string with the 7th fret on the 4th string, so like that, and then A7 sharp 5. So this time what I'm doing is I'm barring the 5th fret across all 6 strings, and then I'm playing the 6th fret on the 2nd and the 3rd string. So play strings 6, 3 and 2 together, like that. So, and then the 5th fret on the 2nd string with the 4th string, 7th fret as well. So, and then 7th fret on the 3rd string. Okay, and that leads you back to your D minor. Like that. And then I'm back on the D minor, bass, 5th string, 4th string, 6th string. Okay? And then you're nearly there, you've got next. So that's 7th fret on the 1st and 3rd string together. Slide it down 2 frets to the 5th, and then play 3 and 4 on the same 2 strings. And then we play that again. Slide that down 2 frets to the 1st and the 2nd. So, and then open 1 and 3, and then open 1 and 3 again, and then 3rd fret on the 2nd and 4th string this time. Okay, and then we're going to end on 1 on the 2nd string and 2 on the 4th string. So that's. Okay, so from the D minor. And then I'll play the 3rd fret on the 6th string, and then 3rd fret on the 5th string. So, like that. And that is it. After that, it goes back and you go through the verse one more time, and then it leads into the bridge. So here it is once more from the top, really slow. So once you've gone through the verse a couple of times, it goes into the bridge. And then back to the verse. So we're actually changing key here. We were in C, but we're leading into the key of G. So I'm playing like an F shape. G chord here, wrap my thumb around the back, and that's what I'm doing from a G. So F, thumb around the back. We get into it by playing on the 3rd string the 4th fret, and then the 5th fret, and then we've got that. So there, that's the 2nd, 3rd, and 6th string together, and then the 5th fret on the 2nd string. I'm getting the G string in there as well. And then we take that off and we play strings 2, 3 and 4. So you get that. And then strings 1, 2 and 6, 1, 2 and 4, and 1 and 2. So that's followed by bass, and then strings 2 and 3, and then bass on the 4th string. Okay? Okay? Then it quickly goes to an E or an E7 chord, and all I do here is I play the 6th string open, the 1st string open, then the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. Like that. That leads to an A minor. So hold down an A minor, and I'm playing strings 2, 3 and 5, and then 2, and then open 2 with the 4th string, and then the 3rd string. So something like that. It's one of those songs. I'll play it differently most times I play it. But then I'll play to a D7, slash F sharp. So hold down D7, F sharp in the bass, and you'll play that bass note. And then what I'll do is I'll actually play the third string open, okay, and then the second fret on the third string with the fourth string, and then open second string. So like that. So far. And then you go back and it kind of repeats, but it is different. So you go back and do that again. Once you get to there, I go to a G sharp diminished. So that's all I'm really playing is the third fret on the second string, the fourth fret on the third string, and the fourth fret in the bass. So, but there, hold that down and I'll play strings 2, 3 together, and then 6. So like that, followed by a strum. So and then to end. So that's A7 this time. So I'm just playing the third fret on the top string. You can get the second fret on the second string in there if you want to, with the bass. And then to the second fret on the top string. And then open top string. So, and if you want to play it, move the bass a bit, go ahead and do that. But then to D7. So on that D7, just hold that chord down and play the top 2 strings. Bass slash F sharp, so I'll put that in the bass. Open top string. And then third fret on the second string with the fourth string open. And then top string, third fret. So slowly. G, bass, fourth string, bass. So that all together. Back to the verse. So there you go. I've just done 2 parts to this. I've just done the verse and the chorus. So I hope you've enjoyed learning it. A lot of fun to play, tricky at times, but a great timeless Christmas song. So that's it for this lesson. I really hope that you've enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and remember I have loads more Christmas fingerstyle songs on my website. The link is in the description.